Industry 4.0 Kategori Secondary Level. Silver Medal. Silver Medal goes to Amity International School Saket from India with the title of VR game using NLP and latent semantic analysis. Gold Medal. Gold Medal goes to SMA Darul Ulum 1 unggulan BPPT Jombang from Indonesia with the title of Implementation of the Algorithm for Making Multi-System Based Rice Paste. Industry 4.0 Kategori University Level. Silver Medal. Silver Medal goes to Universitas Negeri Yogyakarta from Indonesia with the title of STC, Semarang Traditional Culinary. Gold Medal. Gold Medal goes to Universitas Brawijaya from Indonesia with the title of Jacket Shape Tool for Early Detection of Stroke. Universitas Lampung from Indonesia with the title of Pesisir Barat Paradigm. Universitas Brawijaya from Indonesia with the title of Innovation of MSME Sector Development Platform based on Metaverse as Acceleration of Economic Sector after Pandemic COVID-19. Gold Medal goes to Universitas Lampung from Indonesia with the title of Integrated Sustainable Agriculture and Livestock Building Design Innovation. Universitas Brawijaya from Indonesia with the title of Tsunami Disaster Mitigation Mobile Based Application. Universitas Brawijaya from Indonesia with the title of Integration of Smart Cage for Layer-Based Chicken.
Recording in progress.
Hello, can you hear me? Miss Mahmuda?
Yes.
Okay. Hello participants, welcome to judging session of IIIEX. Before you deliver your presentation, please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Rashid Amalik Abdullah and I'll be your moderator today. In this session, we have two judges. The first judge is Miss Purani Warataraju. And the second judge is Miss Siti Fairuz Nur Sadikin. You have 7 minutes for presentation and 8 minutes for question and answer. If you are ready, you may start your presentation now. You can start your presentation.
Can you see our PowerPoint?
Yes, we can see your PowerPoint.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, we are from Senior High School 1 Darul Ulum Jombang, Indonesia. Here we wanna presentation our research under the title Implementation of the Algorithm for Making Multi-System Rice Paste Trap Design Technology in the Industrial Era 4.0. Before that, let me introduce our team. My name is Mahmuda.
My name is Najib Mahmud Rasani.
My name is Sylvia Putri Hadianti. My name is Medali Rianto.
And my name is Salsa Aurelia Savitri.
Okay, where do we take the research? Indonesia is one of the largest producing countries in the world. Rice is the most widely cultivated food commodity in Indonesia because rice is one of staple food sources for most of the Indonesian population. Therefore, the farmers always effort to increase its productivity. But on the other hand, to increase its productivity, the farmers experience many obstacles to the presence of pests. The following is a graph of the decline in rice yield from 2018 until 2021 according to the Central Statistics Agency. Various ways have been done by farmers while massaging from the use of natural enemies to the use of chemical pesticide. However, this method is considered less effective and can have a negative impact on the environment. With the existence of this 4.0 industrial era, we researchers have created multi-system based rice paster that is more effective and environmentally friendly. In maximizing the use of this tool, we use an algorithm implementation. What does mean algorithm implementation? Algorithm implementation is application of a special method or step used to solve the problem. This research is a follow-up study from previous paper until the design and build of a multi-system based rice paster.
There are several research methods, namely literature study, data collection, algorithm system implementation and testing, field experiment method, and process analysis. Next, the research method is research step, namely from the description to the script completion.
And this is design of track from front, from behind, from top and inside.
The next is table of simulation of calculating pest population density in a place. This start from day 1 until day 5. Next is table of simulation of observing pests through the number of planes observed. Start from day 1 until day 5 too.
And this is flowchart of trap rock. Let's start. The input is solar thermal and then accept by panel and then distribute to solar charger controller and then store in battery and then distribute to solar inverter and the output is electrical energy. The decision. Thus, the lamp receive electrical energy. If yes, Rex on detection. Does the insect get into trap? If yes, insect have been trapped. The end, and if no, the insect are not trapped. And this is flowchart of the bird trap. Let's start. The input is bird food and bird glue. The decision are bird trapped. If yes, the bird have been trapped. If no, the bird are not trapped. The end. And this is flowchart of mouse trap. Let's start. The input is mouse food and the process is the mouse has entered and the output is the mouse has been trapped. The end. And this is algorithm system. Let's start. The input is rice field area and the process is the prediction the total of trapped animals. The decision if the area of rice field more than 7,000 square meter. If yes, more than 700 planthopper, more than 10 mice, more than 300 grasshopper, more than 5 bird. The output, the trap more than 1 PN. If no, less than 700 planthopper, less than 10 mice, less than 300 planthopper, grasshopper, less than 5 bird, and the output there is 1 trap. The end.
Okay. Next is parts of the implementation of the algorithm used. Number 1 is Bayesian network. Number 2 is best catch consideration. Number 3 is algorithm. Number 4 is fuzzy system. Number 5 is expert system. And number 6 is computing evolutionary. So the relationship of implementation of algorithm and rice pest trap is this method is help to farmers use it as benchmark in managing their fields or gardens with estimate how many tools are needed to covering an area 7,000 square meters. In this research, we researchers have obstacles when we are research this implementation about weather and rice planting period.
From the research conducted, it can be concluded that this research is continuation of the research that has been done previously, where at the initial stage a prototype of rice
design fast track has been built. With this research was carried out in the rice field of Kaplaksari area, Patarangan District, Patarangan Subdistrict, Jombang District. It can be seen from the population density of 0.058 hoppers, 0.40 grasshoppers, 0.01 rats, and 0.02 birds. Pests that decrease, namely the first day 75%, the second day 66%, the third day 60%, the fourth day 50%, and the fifth day 43%. The implementation of algorithm on multi-system based space track can be used as a benchmark for farmer to help rice field processing. The use of algorithm can provide information about how many pests can count in 700 square meter needed for the field. And this is field experiment.
Sorry, your time is up. Okay, thank you so much for your wonderful presentation. Next, we are moving on to Q&A session. In Q&A session, participants can immediately answer the question after judges ask you. And first question come from Miss Purani Warataraju. To Miss Purani Warataraju, you may start your question.
Thank you. Hi, girls.
Hi.
Oh, yeah, it was a wonderful presentation and looking at your research work. This is the picture of your end product.
Yes.
Oh, what it do? What it does?
Multi-system rice pest trap.
Okay, this is the one that helps the farmers to trap the rats and other pesticides,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So how it works? How it works? Can you show me? I can see you. You are having it beside you. How it works?
Yes.
So how do you fix this?
This is door to pick up the insect, and there is a plastic bag with oil as an adhesive. And there is a lamp to attract the insect.
Yes.
Oh, I see.
The light for attract to plant hoppers and grasshoppers.
Oh, I see. Good.
Yes. And
Now, you develop all this, the project by yourself?
yes.
Yes. Who helped you?
Yes, of course.
Who helped you to develop the product
We
or the project?
we make this product with our supervisor, Mr. Rizky.
Your teacher helped you?
Yes.
Okay. Good.
Yes.
So how much is the cost for you to prepare this whole project? How much did you spend money?
500.
5 million.
5 million.
500,000.
500,000
Yes.
Indonesian rupees, and if you
Yes,
converted it into US dollar, how much is that?
How much?
So when you're doing any international presentation, right, you should state the money value in US dollar for better understanding. Everyone can understand. If you tell me it's like 500,000, so I'll think it's a big amount. So you convert into US dollar next time, include what is the cost that involved and how much you are selling. So this kind of information. And have you tried out using this project to any farmers, local farmers?
This is the
This
field experiment.
experiment in
You are still experimenting. Okay, how is the feedback?
the feedback. The farmers can
What they say about your product?
It will help farmer can use as a benchmark for farmer to help rice field processing.
I see. Okay, alright. Good luck with your presentation and
Thank you,
product.
Miss.
Congratulations.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Puraniwarata Raju. Next question comes from Ms. Siti Fairuz Nur Sadikan. To Ms. Siti Fairuz Nur Sadikan, you may start your question.
Okay, thank you, moderator. Hi, participants. Okay, when I look at your title, actually is too long, right? And there's you did mention on the algorithm.
Yes.
Okay, so but I didn't see any algorithm. You just showing the flowchart. Actually, that is not algorithm in your slide. So which one? Which one is your main algorithm actually? And then another thing is about the multi-system. What do you mean by multi-system?
Because this thread is can count the many types of pass.
Sorry, many type of
Pass.
pass. Okay, so I think you have to change your title because your title is not represent what are the thing you done actually and your product. Okay. And one more thing, I could see during your presentation, you did mention on the fuzzy, right? Fuzzy system or fuzzy expert system, if I'm not mistaken. So, which part that you apply this fuzzy in your product?
Sorry, ma'am, can you repeat again?
Sorry, louder, please.
Can you speak louder?
Okay. During your presentation, okay, you did mention on fuzzy. There's one slide, if I'm not mistaken. There's a terms of fuzzy expert, if I'm not mistaken. So that fuzzy, where did you apply that fuzzy in your product? I don't remember which slide, but there's term of fuzzy.
In fuzzy system, we have some rules to operate this product in algorithm implementation.
Okay. All right. So I think that's all. Okay. But my message. Okay. Sorry. My last question. Is this your first competition
No.
for this project
No,
or this
It's
product?
the second.
Second. Okay. Is there any new features you do for this project? Any new additional features you add in your project?
Yes, before this competition, we use the title is just design and build a multi-system rice pass trap. In this competition, we create this title to be implementation of algorithm.
Okay, so you just change the title. You just change the title, is that? Okay.
Yes.
What? In your product, your physical product, just now you did mention that your physical product. Is there any others part that you put additional part or any additional features you put in this for this special competition? Or same with the previous competition? Is that same?
We just
Oh,
create
same. No, it's okay. It's okay. I just need to know. All right. So I think that's all from me. Good luck. All the best.
Yes,
Okay.
thank you, Miss.
Okay, thank you so much to all judges for your questions, and thank you so much for Mamuka and team. Judging session is finished. For participants, you may leave the breakout room. Good luck and see you at awarding ceremony.